Good morning, everyone. Let's go ahead and take a couple deep breaths as we center ourselves. Let's go ahead and polish our beautiful diamond, our pineal. Take the softest chamois you have and polish it really well, removing any oxidation, any calcification that's ready to come off. Be gentle with you as you do this. If it's not ready to come off, it's okay. There's always tomorrow. As you do this, you might feel a sensation on your third eye area on your forehead, between your eyebrows. Ask your third eye to wake up a little bit more today. Just a little bit more. And if it gets to be painful, by asking it to wait to open up a little bit more, it will ease the pain a little bit. Good job chipping away at it daily. It's going to open you up to opportunities of opening your third eye, your awareness. Let's go ahead and go to the Grand Canyon. Let's go ahead and take our consciousness over to the Grand Canyon and just find a place overlooking the river. I guess there's a river down there. Yep, there is a river. Just you're way up high, looking down at the snake that looks like a snake. All of this was carved out on the earth by rain, water, many, many, many years ago. Isn't nature wonderful? Nature's our friend. Nature's very powerful. When nature goes out of balance, it will get itself back to balance whichever way it can. That's what it looks for. Grand Canyon was formed due to rains, water running, and look at the look how big it is. Grand Canyon. It is a canyon, huh? There's something like it that's showing up now in Africa. Out of nowhere, there's a big divide in the continent. Have you heard about it? Mm-hmm. Just go ahead and ground yourself here. Ground yourself to the earth. Imagine roots growing out of your feet deep and wide. And go all the way to the middle of the earth. And find the gold veins that are around there. There's a lot of gold in the earth actually. And just find a gold vein or many. Gold is a good conductor. And pull energies from the earth. The past couple days we've had some really rough time. It was like we were running out of air. Our bodies felt it big time. You might even be a little bit sore from that exercise. Thank your body for all it has had to endure this past couple days. But you know what? We're here. We're still here. Let's go ahead as you're sitting down, or even if you're standing up, go ahead and open your palms up. Open your palms facing up and give thanks to the Creator for where we are now. Now, if you want to, you can ask the Creator to hold your hand. Or to give you a hug. Wow. Very interesting. Thank your body for having had ease as much as it could with the challenges we had, with the changes we had to go through. So what energy, space, consciousness, and choice can you and your body be to continue to have ease 24/7, 365 with you and your body? What energy, space, consciousness, choice, and vibration can you and your body be to be one with the all and all with the one 24/7, 365? What energy, space, consciousness, choice, and vibration can you and your body be to be in communion with nature 24/7, 365? How does your body feel now? Is it the same or different? Are you more connected to the Grand Canyon? To the soil? To the trees? Or not? Either way, it's a good answer. No judgment here. Isn't that interesting? Your body makes a choice right away, and it follows what you tell it. When it came to being a contribution, did you feel right away the connection with everything? Contributions are two-way. You contribute to nature, nature contributes to you. Two-way street. We are connected to everything. We are part of the all, of the one. So what energy, space, consciousness, choice, and vibration can you and your body be to sense the connection with Source 24/7, 365 with ease? Okay, this was awesome. Just feel into the energies around you. Do you sense it? There is much joy to be shared. Feel into, sense into the planet's mood, feelings. Wow, so much joy. And since we're connected with the planet, go inside of you now. What are you feeling inside? This is an energy banquet. You get to sample a little bit of whatever it is that you want to choose. But there is so much gratitude and joy being given to you. You, my friend, are known. And this is going on for everybody who's willing to receive it in the planet. It's a gift from the planet and a gift from Source. Every step you take, they'll be watching you. Remember that song back in the day? I think it was Sting, wasn't it? Every step you take. I'll be watching you. That's right. Warriors of the light. She knows you. Every step you make, she's aware where you are. Much gratitude to everybody who showed up today. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Namaste. And with that, let's go ahead and take a couple deep breaths as we come back to the present. And when you're ready, rub your hands together, rub your face, and open your eyes.